Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install MySQL on Windows 10. So first of all, open Chrome or any other browser and then type MySQL download for Windows. Then a link will appear in front of you, which is dave.mysql.com. Click on this link. Then a web dialog box will appear in front of you. So first one is the web downloader version, and the second one is for offline standalone downloader. So you need to click on this link, as I prefer this one. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. Then a dialog box will appear in front of you asking for the location where you want to save your file. So select the location and click on the save button. You can see the download has got started. Now as you can see that we have downloaded, so click on MySQL installer, then click on run. You can see that it is gathering the required information. So once it gets started, you need to click on custom. So we are going to customize our application according to our needs. So click on this and then click on next button. Then you will see a lot of options here, but you need to click on MySQL servers. So just click on this plus button, click on again plus, and once again plus. Click on the first product. If you have a 64-bit PC or if you have 32-bit PC, you need to click on into 86, but mine is 64, so I'm clicking on this and just click on the right arrow button after clicking this 64-bit. Then if you need to install any other thing such as a workbench or any other application, so click on applications, click on MySQL workbench, then click on plus again, and then click on the version you have and click on arrow, then click on next. Now as I had downloaded this earlier, so it is showing me path conflicts, but in your case if you have installed it any other time, so it will not show you. So just set it to default and click on next, click on yes, and then click on execute. So now as we have completed the installation, click on next again, click on next. So we don't need to change anything in this, just select development machine, click on next, and here I am going to type current root password as admin, and again admin as MySQL root password, and repeat password same, then click on next. Then we don't need to start the MySQL server at the system startup, as it will consume a lot of resources, but if you need to, then click on this and click on next again, click on next again, and then execute. So as you can see that we have completed the MySQL installation, and now you need to click on finish to continue the setup. Now go to start and click on MySQL command line server, command line client. So you need to click on this app, and then you can see that MySQL has got started. Type the password that you mentioned earlier, which was admin, click on enter, and you can see that it has got started.